Hello, welcome back to my channel, Imfreeyel, what inside. So today I have 3 speaker, a small speaker, Pepsi. Yes, Pepsi. It all is this. Can use with USB plus, memory card. Yes, that's all. Another one. And output is earphone too. Let's scan. Yes. ថ្ងៃនេះដែរខ្ញុំមាន speaker 2ហើយអ្នកនរគ្នាធ្លាប់ឃើញនៅក្នុងប្រទេសកម្ពុជាយើងតោះឥឡូវយើងមើលអ្នកនរគ្នាថាក្នុងនោះវាមានអីខ្លះ So let's check what inside in this three speaker. Here the first time I check this one first. So the first check is still work or not, or it just broken. It just only broken battery. យើងឆែកមើលដំបូងវានៅដើរអត់ឬក៏វាខូចដល់ថ្ម speaker ទូចឹងវាច្រើនវាខូចដល់ថ្មទេ So the mostly of small speaker has problem battery. So let's test the battery. It still work or not? Yeah, see, it still work. You hear? This is the radio mode. Louder and so clear. So this speaker is only broken battery. ចឹង speaker នេះវានៅដើរធម្មតាទេតែខ្ញុំអត់មានអីតេស្តរុនហ្នឹងចាំវីដេអូលើក្រោយយើងមានអីតេស្តរុន memory ក៏ដូចជា USB ហ្នឹងដែរអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវវាខូចដល់ថ្មឥឡូវយើងឆែកមើលវាខូចអីគេវាមានស្អីខ្លះក្នុងហ្នឹង So let's check what inside this speaker. Okay, on it. Yes. Oh, so signal device is signal radio. Next side antenna យកនៅក្នុងហ្នឹង Okay, honey, this is battery. More. This is button. Yes, 4 button. Yes. Let it turn outside. Like this. នេះគឺកុងតាក់ខាងក្រៅរបស់វាមានអូខេអានេះមាន4តើ4 earphone port memory port USB plus drive port and charge in this switch turn off and turn on ចឹងអត់មានអីទេមានតែប៉ុណ្ណឹងក្នុង speaker chip វានេះ run USB run memory អ្នកសាក Motorola រុនកាសកុងតាក់បិទបើកចឹង You hear? It's so clear, boy. Radio station. It's Oceanair, sorry.
ប្រព័ន្ធមាត់ហ្វូន
Okay. The battery is still store. Okay, now we check more about more speaker. The small speaker and speak Pepsi. So let's check. Oh. Yes. Oh. Yes, that's how 3 parts. One part is chip and battery and speaker. ជាង3តែប្រទេសហ្នឹងទេយើងមាន chip ថ្មនេះក៏យើងដូរបានតាអញ្ចឹងទៅកន្លែងនេះទៅវាដូចជាថ្មហ្នឹងកន្លែងខ្លះលក់តែ3រៀល4រៀលអីបានទេ3រៀល2រៀលកន្លះអីចឹងទៅតាមកន្លែងលក់ថ្លៃថោកចឹងណា So on the chip has volume, turn up, down, and when hold press hold is mode of USB switch to memory card. Yes, it's port memory card. Switch to radio mode. And the button, so like this. Put firewall, turn on, USB, LED, yes, phone, TF. Okay, like this. Okay. So test. Turn on. It's not work. Before it's work. Now why not? Oh. Yes. signal radio, but it's not clear. I mean radio dari atas. Được mình qua một cái ta let's check. No MP3. Yes, another one. No MP3. Another one. And forget copy MP3 to flash. Oh, sorry. Okay, now it's already checked in what inside this small speaker. I highlight that. Okay, now we check one more speaker, the last speaker. Big, small, big. Okay. Go out. Okay. It is same open in the button. Break the seal. Oh. It half not full. Okay. Oh, this one remove. Scroll like this and pocket. ពិតក៏ដោះចៅតាមនេះមិញពីរនឯងក៏ដាច់ចោលដល់មក Yes វាអត់មានអីវាដូចតែអាទូដែរ So the same small shape. Yes, shape. Not focus. Yes, like this. My camera has problem. Yes, clear. Okay. Speaker, small speaker. Battery. Can speaker. Okay. So in this three speaker, it's like that. Yes. Three small. Chúng nơiក្នុង speaker ហ្នឹងវាមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯង speaker ទាំង3នេះមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯង so all these three speaker like that and all of this can use it means still work but the battery is broken. So if we want to use, you can using charge in with a pen, or we replace the battery, all its battery. So everything is still good. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel or click ring or comment and share. Thank you. អរគុណអ្នកនរគ្នាសម្រាប់ការតាមដានវីដេអូរបស់ខ្ញុំសូមជួយ subscribe like share ផងដែរ រគុណច្រើនជំរាបលា